you please understand the situation that you people are in. This is the time of struggle that you are going through. तो क्लासेस हमारी ख़त्म होने वाली हैं, तो अब मेरे को भी मौका नहीं मिलेगा तुमको ज्ञान देने का, और अब जब हम अपनी क्लास इतनी एक्सटेंड करते हैं तो फिर और कम मिलता है. बट येस, दीज आर द मोमेंट्स इन विच you find yourself lost with energy. You have to understand that this is the life of a civil service aspirant, a life of finding some way to continue further. तो कविता वगैरह सुनते हो? मतलब कोई हॉबी होनी चाहिए, एज इन राइटिंग, लिसनिंग, पेंटिंग, डूइंग समथिंग. यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव अ हॉबी. हॉबीज आर नेसेसरी. जबरदस्ती की बनाई हॉबी नहीं है. एक्चुअल में हॉबी क्या होती है? हॉबी समथिंग दैट कीप्स यू फोकस्ड. फॉर अदर्स इट सीम्स लाइक यू आर डूइंग समथिंग. फॉर यू what you're doing is actually you're doing it for enjoyment. Your mind, body, soul, everything is getting relaxed in that instance because you're doing something that you literally are liking to do. You'd have some or the other hobby. कुछ ना कुछ, कहानी पढ़ना, कोई किताब पढ़ना, फिक्शन, नॉन फिक्शन, बैडमिंटन खेलना, फुटबॉल खेलना, कोई ना कोई हॉबी ज़रूर होनी चाहिए आपकी. हॉबी इज़ नॉट अ वेस्ट ऑफ योर टाइम. हॉबी इज़ अ वे टू री एनर्जाइज योर सेल्फ in a manner that other people might think that you are maybe wasting your time, but actually you are in that instance gathering your energies. So you must have your hobbies. Hobbies help you to remain calm and focused. Otherwise क्लासेस ऐसे जाएंगी 8:30 बजे तक. टेस्ट में बैठोगे 1.5 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा, मतलब 4.5 घंटा का टेस्ट दोगे. Things will not happen according to what you planned them out for. So you will have many instances where you would like to give up. Not when I say give up does not mean that you give up one day and दीवार पे लिख दो I quit. That is not what I mean with the word give up. Give up doesn't mean that one day you wake up and decide that no, I'm not going to prepare for civil services. Give up means that small instances which take you away from your objective. You never give up in one instance. You never wake up one day and say कि आज से civil service की तैयारी खत्म. You give up in these instances. When you are being tested to limit, once you are tested, you give up a little bit during that instance. Next you are tested, you give up a little bit. Next you are tested, you give up a little bit in those instances. तो इस तरीके से आप धीरे धीरे गिव अप करते चले जाओगे, फिर आपका वो एक ग्रेजुअल गिव अप हो जाएगा. It is in these instances that you will have to come back and be prepared for being tested to a greater limit next time. This is what will separate, differentiate the ones who get through and ones who do not get through. The ones who do not get through will lose focus in such instances. When you are tested, when you are right now, this moment, completely exhausted, feeling sleepy, not going anything in your mind, it is in these instances. You have to be prepared for regular. मैं तुम्हारे को क्लास के लिए भूमिका नहीं बना रहा हूँ कि मैं क्लास अभी एक्सटेंड करूँगा, रोज एक्सटेंड करने वाला हूँ. That is not for that. वो तो तुमको आदत अभी तक पढ़ी चुकी होगी, है ना. But this is a general ज्ञान that you will have to understand in terms of your journey of a civil servant. सुना होगा, नहीं तुमने कविता सुनी है कि नहीं. तो वाटिका और वन एक नहीं, समझते हो? वाटिका मतलब गार्डन, वन मतलब जंगल, है ना. तो वन में प्रसून तो खिलते हैं, वाटिका में शाल ना मिलते हैं. प्रसून मतलब फूल, फ्लावर्स. सो इन फॉरेस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड फ्लावर्स. शाल मतलब शाल के पेड़, बड़े बड़े ऊंचे लंबे पेड़. तो आपको गार्डन में वो पेड़ नहीं मिलेंगे. To be able to be prepared for glory, if I may use the word, you will have to be tested to limits. You can't reach what you desire for by sitting in a garden. You will have to go to the forest and be tested by the forest. So make sure you understand these things. ठीक है? किसमें सुनिए? रश्मि रथी. So he explains that they've been tested to their limits and it is only then they become better version of themselves. तो वर्षों तक वन में घूम सुना है ना, बाधा विघ्नों को चूम. तो उससे पहला जो पूरा उसका वो है, it is about this aspect that you will have to be tested to your limits continuously. Only then you are going to be able to become the person that you desire to become, that you are destined to become. So this exam is going to test you. Any exam, any walk of life is going to test you. तो जो वीर होते हैं, जो कि पीपल हु आर विलिंग टू सैक्रिफाइस, पीपल आर विलिंग टू वर्क हार्ड, उद्यमी वर्ड समझते हैं? उद्यमी, परिश्रमी, उद्यम मतलब एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. Those who are tested to limits, those who are put in difficult circumstances, everybody would be put in difficult circumstances, but there are two types of people, as in how they behave in those difficult circumstances. One person will try actively to get out of the difficult circumstance, versus somebody else is going to simply give up and get out of the difficult circumstance कि मेरे को नहीं जाना वन में. Be the first one, उद्यमी मतलब be the परिश्रमी one. Only then you will be able to become a better version, what you want to become, जो destiny आपके लिए जो भी रखा हुआ है. So realize these things in your important phase of life. Focus. If you are focused, only then your energies will not be diverted to those things that don't require your attention. Those things that deserve your attention, if your energies are focused there, then you will always feel happy to be tested to the limit, because that brings up every time a better version of yourself.